Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Green PH. At titinan natin ang inyong situation 1 year from now. From the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano magpapabook for a private reading. So let's see, kumustahin natin kayong mga Gemini 1 year from now. Kamusta? What's up with you? Ano na kaya ang situation ninyo 1 year from now? Gemini, 1 year from now, let's see. Sea urchin. So sea urchin is protection. You are protected, okay? Maaring 1 year from now, you will focus on safety, protection, or yung iba sa inyo maaring mas magiging active kayo sa mga activities na pwedeng mag-protect sa'yo from negative energies. Lalo na kung ngayon nakaka-experience kayo ng yung parang merong toxic environment sa paligid ninyo. So you will dispel those negativities. Iiwas ka sa mga taong walang ibang lumalabas sa kanilang bibig kundi puro kanigahan, no? Oo, so mas gusto mo ngayon na magkaroon ng peace of mind. And maaari ring literal na meron kang mga gagawing hakbang para i-protect yung space mo. Let's say magpapalagay ka ng gate or CCTV camera or anything that will make you feel protected and safe. Okay? Let's see what else 1 year from now. Gemini. Lava. Lava is about courage, lakas ng loob. So I think mas magiging confident ka 1 year from now. Okay? Mas magiging determinado ka na i-pursue yung mga goals mo. You are becoming more passionate in pursuing what you really want, pursuing your passion. Maaring meron ka rin self-discovery na ito yung talents mo, ito yung skills mo, abilities mo. So, yun yung magbibigay sa iyo ng confidence, no? Kapag confident kasi ang isang tao, ang dami niyang pwedeng ma-achieve sa buhay, no? Let's see what else 1 year from now. You have storm. Storm is transition. Transformation. So, pwedeng merong transformational na pwedeng mangyari or ma-achieve ka 1 year from now. It's a major change. Can be major change in your career, in your finances, in your relationship, no? Possible na itong transformation na to, itong pagbabago na to ay magsisimula the moment na meron kang pagsubok na dumating sa buhay mo, no? So, yung pagsubok na yan yung magpapatatag sa'yo. Yan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng resilience, no? Pagiging adaptive sa changes. Parang kumbaga, isi-shake yung iyong comfort zone para lumabas ka sa iyong comfort zone at mag-explore ng mga bago pang bagay na pwede mong subukan. And of course, dahil lalabas ka sa comfort zone mo, definitely may change na mangyayari. Okay? So, a major transformation. Let's see, overall energy ng mga Gemini 1 year from now. 1 year from now, Gemini. Okay. Nakakaloka kasi I was thinking about this. The Devil card. So, 1 year from now, maaring may mga temptation sa paligid mo. Okay? Maaring yan yung isa sa aayusin mo or parang iiwasan mo those negative energies or those people na itatry kang i-tempt to do something that is not good for you. Okay? Kasi maaring may temptation sa trabaho, temptation sa relationships. What is the devil? the High Priestess. I feel like 1 year from now, meron kang awareness ng mga bagay na alam mong dapat mo nang i-let go of, yung mga bagay na dapat mo nang iwasan. So it's all up to you if magte-take ka ng action doon sa mga bagay na dapat mong iwasan, yung mga unhealthy habits, mga toxic situation, relationships, connections na nagkaka-apekto sa'yo. And I think that's part of the storm that's going to happen as well, na yung transition na yan, yung pagbabago na yan, yan yung, maaari kasing, example lang naman, pwedeng meron kang unhealthy habits and then hindi mo binabago yung unhealthy habits na yon, and then nagkasakit ka. So yung pagkakasakit na yon, yun yung magiging parang turning point mo na, teka, I have to really take care of myself. I have to release that unhealthy habits, no, para mas maging healthier ka. Ganon. Okay? So that's part of the transformation na gagawin mo. Let's see your possible challenge. The 5 of Cups. Okay. Ito yung mga regrets. It's never too late, no, to always fix ourselves, ayusin yung mga naging pagkukulang natin, pagkakamali natin. Ang importante is that we are learning from those mistakes. And I think you will realize na hindi pa huli yung lahat. Okay? Let's see your opportunity. You have the Knight of Pentacles. I feel like you have a big opportunity when it comes to your career, business, your finances. Pwedeng ikaw ay mag-invest. 1 year from now, you will invest into a business or a real property, no? Real estate, bahay, lupa, sakahan, ganyan. Yes, you have the opportunity na mas palaguin pa yung mga nasimulan mo. And then your blessing is the Emperor. Wow. I think yung pagiging, yung pagbabago na mangyayari sa'yo, yung transformation na yan yung blessing sa'yo eh. You will be more in control of your life. You have self-discipline. You have structure in your life. You feel like there's more direction sa buhay mo 1 year from now. Especially na hindi ka na kontrolado ng mga sitwasyon sa paligid mo. You can make decisions on your own. And that's a blessing kasi hindi lahat may kalayaan na makapag-decide para sa sarili nila. So for your money, career, finances, we have harmony. Ayan. I think magkakaroon ka ng magandang relationship sa mga taong nakakatrabaho mo, nakakasalamuha mo. And also, this will bring more opportunities sa'yo kasi maaaring marami kang magiging kaibigan. And also, kailangan din na maging aware ka rin sa mga bagay na dapat mong tanggihan at iwasan. Okay? So, yung mga sa tingin mo hindi, kumbaga mga unethical, no? Hindi maayos na trabaho or mga business practices, iiwasan mo yan. You have the 5 of Pentacles and the Magician. Wow, napaka-powerful nitong combination na to because it's about you na parang if-flip mo yung situation. Kung challenging yung finances mo, 1 year from now, you will gain resolution. Kung baga makakahanap ka ng solusyon sa mga financial challenges mo. You will be able to manifest your goals, your desires in your career, in your finances. Okay? Kasi meron kang matutuklasan na kakayanan, abilities mo na pwede mong pagkakitaan. Diba? Ma-realize mo na magaling ka pala sa ganitong area of life, no? Sa career na yan. Pwede mong gawing business career. Okay, sa love life, merong ex. Pwedeng babalik itong ex na to 1 year from now. But be careful. Pay attention sa red flags, no? Kasi pwedeng merong hindi pa magandang intention itong taong ito sa'yo. Okay? Be careful. Lalo na't ngayon na, kasi 1 year from now, you're going to be a better version of yourself. Mas mag-glow up ka, mas magiging attractive ka. And I think itong ex mo na 'to mapapansin 'yan sa'yo at maaring guguluhin niya yung isip mo. Ayan, magpaparamdam. So, siyempre kung ikaw ay hindi pa nakaka-move on sa kanya, may tendency na maging marupok ka pa at bumalik. So, kailangan pag-isipan mo, okay? Accumulate in times of plenty to ensure abundance in times of scarcity. So, I think 1 year from now, mas magiging maingat ka sa paggastos ng pera mo. Mas mag-iipon ka kaysa sa gagastos, which is favorable sa'yo in the future kasi safe na ang iyong or safe and secure na ang iyong finances. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye!